They say every region in Italy has a pasta that tastes like sunshine. For the Amalfi Coast, that pasta is pasta al limone. Simple, silky, and bright enough to pull you straight to the Mediterranean. You don't need 100 ingredients, just the right ones, and the patience to treat them well. You only need 7 things: spaghetti, butter, lemon zest, lemon juice, Parmigiano Reggiano, black pepper, and a little pasta water. That secret glue of Italian cooking. Butter brings silk. Lemon gives brightness. Parmigiano adds depth. And that starchy water ties everything together into one smooth, creamy dream. Start with salted water, like the sea. Drop in your spaghetti and let it dance. In another pan, melt butter gently with fresh lemon zest. You're not browning it. This isn't a nutty sauce. You're infusing, pulling out the perfume of the zest. This step builds your entire flavor base. Add a splash of pasta water to the melted butter. It'll look wrong at first, thin and broken, but keep stirring and it turns glossy. That's your emulsion, the silky backbone of this sauce. This moment is where the magic begins. Turn off the heat. Add the lemon juice, just enough to make it sing. Then toss in your freshly grated Parmigiano. Move fast. Too hot and the cheese clumps. Too cold and it won't melt. Stir, lift and toss until the sauce coats every strand. That's how you get creamy without cream. Bit by bit, the loose butter and juice transform into silk. If it tightens too much, add a spoonful of pasta water. You're aiming for glossy, not soupy. This is Mantecato, perfectly married. Every strand shining, perfectly dressed. Now your kitchen smells like Amalfi in July. Butter, lemon and cheese in perfect harmony. Twirl it high on the plate.
Bright, buttery and elegant in its simplicity. Proof that restraint can be beautiful. So next time you crave comfort, skip the cream. Grab a lemon, a knob of butter and make this. No cream, no fuss, just Italian alchemy. A plate of pure sunshine. Pasta al limone.